Hey dear, I'm so glad you are here with me today. Today, I'm painting a small bird. I hope it brings a little smile on your face. You have been seeing me doing lots of landscapes and animals. So today, I want to go for a beautiful bird. After working as a full-time artist for more than 10 years, finally I have decided to do something on the internet. Since past few months, I am doing lots of efforts on YouTube, doing videos and editing and learning. But the journey is not very straightforward. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ram Krishna Bhatta. In today's date, I have just 70 beautiful subscribers. The target is to reach 100 subscribers as soon as I can. So I wish I can get 5 subscribers by this video. If you really love this painting or feel my effort is genuine, please give us a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. I have done very few bird paintings. Today I am using acrylic colors and trying my best to do this small painting. To be honest, I like this process. I am enjoying today's painting session. Now I am using palette knife. On my part, the monsoon is coming to an end and the season is going to change. What's on your side? So, take care of your health and see you next time.